Hey, what do? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Flaming Manny, back at it with again. Back at it again with another video. As you can tell by the title, I'm here to show you guys what is the best binary option strategy. Every time I hit that, I'm pretty sure you guys can hear it. The mic is right there. So let's get into the video. I'm gonna go back and forth. I'm gonna be popping the screen and all of that. So if you do a quick Google search, and you type in what is the easiest strategy for binary option, this is my personal favorite. So I'm gonna let you guys know my personal favorite before the entire thing begins. You guys might like it because it's simple. Oh, I did cut my hair. I forgot to tell you guys. You guys gonna like it because it's simple. I like it because it's simple. I don't like having a million things on your screen when you're just trying to make a trade for 30 seconds and you have 50 indicators on. And no, that's too much to do. No, you need the most simple. I like simple, clean, so I'm gonna go ahead and read this to you. The simplest of binary options is called the momentum indicator and boundary options. Boundary options are such a great way of trading the momentum because they are the only options type that enables you to win a trade on momentum alone. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys the screen. Basically all you use is this, and I don't know what the hell the boundary thing is, but you basically just trade. I'm guessing whenever this is green, you go up, you hit buy, and whenever this is red, you hit sell, something like that. To be honest with you, the best way I like to trade, the way that I made most of my money, is literally just looking at the screen, and I don't want to say guessing because it's not really guessing, because everything is guessing. Well, I mean, I don't know how to say, but let me just show you guys. What I'm talking about. So I would watch how it's moving, right? And I feel like you can kind of tell where it's gonna be within the next 15 to 30 seconds or a minute, 2 minutes, by visualizing this as a tug of war, right? Because all it's doing is people are buying more to bring the price up, and people are starting to sell. So it's basically a tug of war. Imagine it like this, right? Pretend it's like this. It's a tug of war to get it right. Wherever it's pulling the most, you know that they're gonna get tired of buying because you get tired of the tug of war, right? That's the way I visualize it, and I've made most of my money off of that. I know my account's on zero right now. Okay, um, things happen. I didn't use that. I was using stochastic oscillator and whatever the other thing is called. But yeah, you visualize it as a tug of war, and it's tugging back and forth. You know that they're gonna get tired eventually, right? And you know these people, that the sellers are gonna get tired as well, and it's gonna start going up. That's the way I visualize it. Like this is putting, I just watch it for a good 30 seconds, not even like 5 seconds, and that's when I place my trade. That's how I know. And if I wait, say I place a trade after 3 seconds of watching it, I know after the 5th second, I'm just like, oh snap, I should have done this, right? But no regrets. You have to live life to the fullest, That's the way I look at it. I don't know if you guys want to see me in action. I did go live last Wednesday. Nobody joined, but it's fine. I was trading on there. I was using the stochastic oscillator, and I did lose my account. So if you guys were there, it said I had one guy, but I don't know if it was an actual person or not. But if you were there, let me know if you were there and you saw me blow my money. It's pretty funny. It was just $60. It wasn't too deep. So let's get into the next one. So you type in a quick Google search. You type in what strategy is the best for binary options. The first one that comes up is called the Pinocchio strategy binary options, right? That's what comes up. It's called, it's the description of it. It says the Pinocchio binary options trading strategy is a simple to is simple to apply and is a good choice for beginners. You know, most of the people watching my videos are beginners because, well, I don't know about everybody, but I've seen a couple of you guys that did comment on my videos that you guys are new. There's no shame in that. That's probably the best time to get in as a beginner because you don't know the limits of binary options. I think that's great. Everybody else that's been in the game for years and stuff, they put themselves into a little box and they limit themselves, you know. That's why I like beginners. I like working with beginners. I like teaching beginners. So if you guys are a beginner, let me know in the comments if you're a beginner on binary options. I'd love to know. Also, 98% of you guys aren't subscribed. Like, what? Just subscribe, please. You would help me out a lot. I have 300 subscribers. I seen you guys been showing me mad love. Yeah, just subscribe, leave a like, comment. It's that simple. I did rant off. Is a good choice for beginners who are looking for a rapid way of making money. This strategy is fairly simple as it requires only basic market knowledge and no experience of analyzing with technical trading tools in order to get started. So you go to images and it'll show you a couple images. Pinocchio is also known as the hammer or whatever, Thor's hammer. I think that's what the other one that I've seen or something like that. This is better example. Let's see. Well, this is a good example. It's basically a reverse strategy, I think. Let's see. We find a photo that these are. So that one is basically the longer the wick, the stronger the signal. So this is a good anatomy of the candle. You see how it went all the way down and then came back up. You know it's gonna keep going that way. Well, I don't know if you guys can see that's in frame. Say this is. Oh, I could just show you right here. I forgot that I could show you guys my screen. Say this is the candle. And it goes down. This is the line, right? This is the line. You see going up and down, and it goes up all the way over here. And I mean, well, it goes down all the way down there, and then you see it go all the way back up. You know it's gonna go back up, like, you know, it's gotten tired, like the tug of war that I was telling you guys about. It got tired of selling, and the winners started winning the tug of war. Yeah, that's basically the Pinocchio strategy. That's the best off of Google search. That's the best trading binary options strategy. The next one is the candlestick formation patterns strategy. Candlestick pattern based strategies are easy to trade, as most of the time you just need to wait for a pattern to form and place a buy or a sell stop entry order above or below the candlesticks. This way you enter the market right when the trade confirmation happens. I'm guessing it's talking about, like, I want to show you guys a good example. I don't want to just, like, a pattern. This one right here. Yeah, we can use this. So you see that Pinocchio happened right here. It went down. Pinocchio happened right here. It went up. That's basically the patterns. These are candlesticks. So the Pinocchio one goes hand in hand with the candlestick formation, unless it means something else, and I'm completely, naive. But I don't think so. This one, the fundamental analysis, that one I highly recommend that you skip that. I don't like it. It's too much work. It's not that simple. So I highly recommend skipping that one. So I'm going to skip that one, not waste you guys' time, because I've been recording for almost 10 minutes now. But this is getting cut down. So this is probably like 5 minutes in the video. Something like that. The next one on the list is the hedging strategy. Hedging is a risk management strategy employed to offset losses in investments by taking the opposite position in a related asset. The reduction in risk provided, you see the hands, provided by hedging also typically results in a reduction in potential profits. Hedging strategies typically involve derivatives such as options and futures contracts. Futures contract. Blah. English is hard. This is not hedging in the classic sense. I don't recommend this. This looks too complicated. If you can't understand it from the pictures, it's probably too complicated. It needs to be nice and sweet to the point. Like, let me give you guys another example. Right here, this is perfect. Look, so right here was just staying, bouncing back and forth. Nothing too fancy. Then it went down. It hit that Pinocchio, son, and then it bounced up here. What do you see? Pinocchio. Exactly. So, or you can say engulfing, right? It did the engulfing as well. There's so many that you can stack on top of each other, but I suggest first master one strategy instead of bouncing back and forth and trying to figure out which one. Just get a week, go on to your demo account for a week, and then just practice all the strategies and figure out which one works for you. Don't try to master every single. That's what I was trying to do at the beginning. Don't try to master every single strategy all at once. It's like stick to one. I used to play video games a lot. Pretty sure you can tell by my videos. That's where my channel started off of. It was good to have a lot of strategies as playing video games, but this for right now, I suggest you just stick to one strategy and master that one. We're gonna move to the next one on the list. It is. Oh wait, no, that's it. God, that happened pretty quick. But yeah, that's basically the video. I was just gonna show you you guys a couple of the quickest, the best strategies. As you can see, the Pinocchio one is very useful. If you guys want to see me further elaborate on any specific strategy, I've tried them all. Trust, I have a journal filled with just strategies. I've studied them for hours. I just enjoyed the energy around binary option. People were just cool, and it's a new experience for me, so I wanted to experience it, and I like to learn and become the best at certain things. I'm not the best at this. I'm not saying I'm the best at it. I'm just saying, oh look, the Pinocchio happened right here and it's going down. Yeah, I forgot what I was saying, but I guess that's the end of the video. As you guys can see, it's going down after I said the Pinocchio thing happened. As you can see, you guys would have been in the money if you would just listen. Oh, it's going back up. It's going back down. You see, you guys would make money if you would just sit there and master a specific strategy. I suggest that Pinocchio strategy and the zigzag. If you don't know what the zigzag is, let me show you guys really quick. You go to your indicators, go to zigzag, hit zigzag, and then boom. So as you can see right here, it goes down, it hits Pinocchios. You can also call this no, not the three soldiers, but yeah, it goes right here. It's a little Pinocchio, goes all the way over here, goes up after the Pinocchio. Right here, this is, I want to say, squatting. You go down, Pinocchio. This candlestick is what is it called? Pinocchio or Thor's hammer, whatever floats you guys boat. As you can see, I was right about after the Pinocchio. If you did enjoy this video, I feel like it did seem a little bit rushed. If you guys felt like it was rushed, let me know and I can make a better video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Thank you for watching the video. Deuce.